Welcome back, everyone. I'm Shortcut Sherry, and it's another Tip Tuesday. Today's tip comes from last week's PowerPoint Waffle Wednesday that we did, and it was the favorite tip of the people that attended. So I thought it would be helpful to share with you because obviously what I thought everybody knew, not everybody knows. I'm using one of the fabulous PowerPoint templates that has some built-in content within the PowerPoint application. And in this case, it is an employee orientation template. Imagine you're creating this presentation and you have something like the agenda. You have the agenda broke out and now you need to build out each of the slides for that agenda. There are different views within PowerPoint. We have the normal view, the notes page where we can add the notes, and as a speaker this is really helpful with the new speaker view. You can add your notes here and they would display on the page as you're presenting. We have slide sorter view where we can move the slides around very easily, but most people don't know how handy this outline view is. Rephrase. The outline view breaks the slides down to the bullet points. So something like the agenda, if I now need to break this out and create individual slides for each of these topics, I'm just going to copy this slide and paste it. So I have two of them. If I go back to normal view, you'll see I have two of the exact same slides. But now I'm going to go back to the outline view, and you can use the tab and the shift tab keys to create additional slides. We do this by promoting and demoting the bullet points. On the agenda, I'm just going to delete to get rid of the agenda. And now if you look at the slide, about our company is the slide title. Now I'm going to go to the next bullet point and use Shift and Tab. And that promotes that item back to the slide level instead of a bullet point level. I can do the same thing by selecting them all and hit Shift Tab, and now I've quickly created 8 brand new slides for me to use in my presentation. How cool is that? You don't have to create a slide and add a title, create a slide, add a title, create a slide, add a title. Now the same thing is true if you want to create a new slide. I'm just going to hit Enter and hit Shift Tab to create a new slide. So now I'm at the slide level. Here's the slide title. I'm going to hit Enter and then Tab. Now I get the bullet points. So bullet 1, bullet 2, bullet 3. And if I want to create another slide, I'm just going to hit Enter and Shift Tab. If you have the outline built out in something like Microsoft Word or OneNote, very easy to copy and paste it in the outline view and create your slides. That's my tip for this week. I hope you found it helpful. I'll be back next week with another fabulous tip from a reminder that not everybody knows the stuff that I know. And that comes from my good friend Scott. So we'll see you then. In the meantime, check out these great events that we have coming up. And until next time, I'm Shortcut Sherry, and it's my job to make your job easier. So we'll see you then. In the meantime, check out these great events that we have coming up. And until next time, I'm Shortcut Sherry, and it's my job to make your job easier.